What's up, baby? Welcome back to SFN where we be getting it in, baby. I know it's been a minute, man, but I'm back, man. I'm going to be consistent with this. But today, bro, I'm going to talk about why it's easier to invest in low-end cars than high-end cars. Because when you fucking with the low-end cars, you can get extremely cheap deals, you know what I'm saying, that you ain't got to break the bank with. When you fucking with high-end cars, you spending too much money to begin with the investment. So like when you look at real estate or you look at stocks or something, you trying to put something in, you trying to buy low and sell high. You know what I'm saying? You putting your money in, you putting little money in to get a higher return. You know what I'm saying? So that's something that's easy to do with the low end cars. You can put $400-500 in, or you can strike a deal for $400 or $500 and turn back around and sell it. You can put another $500 with it and make a $500 profit. You feel me? But with higher end cars, you spend $5,000 or $10,000 and something go wrong, you got to put another $1,500 or $1,600 into the deal. So now you want more for the car. You want down if you wanted $10,000, now you might want $20,000 for the motherfucker because you putting too much money into it. But with the low end cars, when you stick to the low end cars, if it don't work, shit, it don't work. It's just one paycheck or a couple $100. It didn't work. Shit, you can resell it. You know what I'm saying? You can wholesale it to make your money back, or you can sell it to somebody else that know how to fix the problem. And when you in the car business, you want to find different type of people that like certain cars. So if you invested in a car that was bad, but your partner or somebody you met along the way invest in those type of cars that you bought, and it's a bad deal, you can just wholesale it to them. You feel me? Or just turn around and sell it to them. And the worst case scenario, shit, you don't want to just sell it for less than you bought it for and get your money back and move to the next deal. But investing in low-end cars is high profit. It's a lot of high profit when you're investing in low-end cars. When you're investing in high-end cars, it's a good profit too, but you got to put in more money up front. So when you teaching somebody how to sell cars from the bottom, they ain't got $3,000-4,000 to put into their first deal. They trying to get a car for little to no money so they can get started, so they can get the fire going. So I just kind of y'all with that. That's why I feel like investing in low-end cars are better than investing in high-end cars. And sometimes you do have to deal with trouble clients or trouble customers investing in low-end cars because, you know, that's what come with it. But that's what we sign up for. That's what we get paid for. You know what I'm saying? We buy the problems and fix them. We fixing other people's problems to make this money. You know what I'm saying? But I'd rather have a low-end problem than a high-end problem. Because, like, if a person has spent $10,000, they damn near want their money back if something going wrong with the car. But if a person has spent $2,000 or $1,500 and they know it's a used car, they know what they signed up for, and, like, maybe you can help them out depending on the situation, but they know it's L's. And, like, when you do your bill of sales, make sure you got a L's policy on it. You feel me? Make sure it say L's, because that's the contract that they signed knowing it was L's. So that meaning if you sell that motherfucker to them and they go down the street and that motherfucker blow up, they better call the bomb squad to come get that motherfucker. But they can't call you. It's said and done. But, like, I just wanted to say, like, that's why I invest in low-end cars up front if I'm starting out. You know what I'm saying? For beginners. But when I get my bag right, if I was you, when I get the money right, I invest in whatever the fuck I want to invest in, bro. And that's just how it is. So I'm trying to keep this shit, you know what I'm saying, going with the YouTube. So what I need y'all to do is, man, at least drop me a comment, man, and let me know what y'all want to know about and what y'all want to see me do with this channel, man. Because it's the beginning, baby. It's only going to get bigger. So I've been doing a lot of stuff behind the scenes, so like, comment, and subscribe. These videos gonna get better and better and better. And I'm out, just like that. Watch my other videos. If you like this one, you might get some value out of them. So, watch my next video, baby.